CRM services in the past, or email?
All of them.
Yeah. So what made you choose ActiveCampaign, and why did you go that route?
So years ago, it was in 2016. I was at a traffic conversion conference, and I was hell bent on upgrading. I had used I started, of course, with Constant Contact, and I upgraded to Aweber because the big boys were using Aweber, and I was just on support calls with those guys for hours trying to do stuff that I thought Aweber should be able to do at the time, and it couldn't. It just wasn't meant to be that way. So I went to this conference hell bent on moving to FusionSoft because I've had enough, right? I want to go to Fusion, and I was talking to people, and they're like, no, I'm getting off of FusionSoft. I'm like, what? I'm going this ActiveCampaign, and I had never heard of it. I was like, oh my gosh, it's a fly-by-night thing. I think going from MailChimp to or Constant Contact to Aweber, from Aweber to ActiveCampaign, and every time you do it, it's painful. It really is painful, and you want to try to minimize the pain as much as you can. And so I just recommend people right now, even if they're starting off, they don't have a single email, just do ActiveCampaign, honestly. And I don't even, it's a non-negotiable for me.